So, I'm Maricel. I'm a personal chef and here to inspire and support you with your diet. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make delicious kofta. Kofta is cooked in various countries in the Middle Eastern part and also Central of Asia, and it is usually made with minced or ground beef. To make a plant-based version, I'm going to use pulses, combining red and brown lentils to achieve similar flavor and consistency. This recipe is perfect for your meal preparation, for example, or to spoil your family and friends. Delicious addition to your finger food buffet, or you can also add it with your salad or in curries, for example. If you enjoyed this recipe, show some love by just making a screenshot of this video, post it on Instagram, and don't forget to tag me and I will reshare your post. Thank you for watching and I'm looking forward to see you on my next video.